how to translate your document into English. Hey guys, my name is Alex, and in this video I'll show you how to translate your document into English.
Doctranslator.com translates any documents.
Okay, great. So go on Google and search for Doc Translator. Click on the first dot. Create an account. It's free. Go to Translations tab. Step number 1, choose the file. The original Spanish. Target language is English. Upload. Now the document is uploaded. All we have to do is click on Translate. The translation begins. Keep the screen open, don't leave it. Okay, the translation is now ready. Let's download it and take a look. This is our translation done by doctranslator. And this is our original. As you can see, translation and original look the same. So this completes the tutorial on how to translate your document into English. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Thanks for watching.
Doctranslator.com translates any documents.